little bit that way, like that tree over there. I throw them all towards that tree.
Have the same target each time is what he's saying.
Same target.
I'm gonna aim straight for the trailer.
Okay.
Alright, this is Dad's.
That one's mine.
Chanel's.
Wimpy.
Whoa.
Sienna's.
Nice.
Sienna's is the longest one.
Jared's. Grandpa's. Mom's.
That's it.
Yeah. Grandma. Jackson's.
Oh. Well.
I did not do that on purpose.
Yeah, you did. Well, well, well. Who won this time? Who won the last time?
I did.
Yeah. Who won this time?
Jackson did.
Huh. There's a common denominator here.
Wait, let's throw these again.
No,